What I found useful was to just introspect and just from my past experience that these are some ideas that are very unique, that have never been shared before in public or private forums. So then that's obviously the material that I hope to teach in the course. So if these ideas have I seen people's, I think Maven used to use this term eyes light up, right, back in the day. So I seen people's eyes light up when I share that with them in an advising conversation with a founder, say on the product sense, product strategy side? Or have I seen their eyes light up in a career coaching conversation with a PM leader? And to me, that is evidence that do I have something that people are going to find useful, applicable, practical, in a way that is unique to what I am teaching. In other words, that they would not likely get this idea, they would likely not get this perspective from somewhere else. So that's the thought process that goes into me deciding what to teach. And that is more kind of internally driven versus more analytically driven, externally driven.
Yeah. You had a product sense about what to teach. I'm going to break it down a little bit for everyone, which is first, he picked a topic he felt like he knew really, really well. And I think where he had real expertise over others. Product sense and also career advice are two things that Shreyas is just like uniquely super talented at and has made really, really good decisions. So that's the first thing. The second thing is there is a demand component that is inherent in this, which is Shreyas has watched people as he has given them advice and seen where they gravitate to. What do they want?